This is the problem number 6, which is a little tricky problem. So the problem is, given matrix A, which is a 4 cross 4 matrix, we need to find the determinant of matrix A, which is either A, B, C or D. You can pause the video for some time and try to solve the question. One common method to find the determinant of A is the minor method. Given A, which is a 4 cross 4 matrix, we can find the determinant using minor method, which is 5 into minor of 5, 5 into minor of 5, then minus 4 into minor of 4, minus 4 into minor of 4, and so on. But for a square matrix of dimension greater than or equal to 4, this method is very time consuming method. Now I am going to tell you the easy way to find the determinant of square matrix of dimension greater than or equal to 4. Let's say we have a square matrix of 4 cross 4 dimension. There are 3 steps involved in this method, which are: first one is choose any element of your choice. Let Aij, we prefer if Aij is equal to 1. So we choose this element. Let's say we choose this element as Aij and we call this element as a pivot element. Then second is using Aij as pivot, apply elementary row or column operations to put zeros in all the other positions in row column containing Aij, which means choosing this element as a pivot, we need to make all the other elements in the column as 0 by applying elementary row or column operations. And third one is expand the determinant by the column or row containing Aij. Since this element we choose as a pivot, these 3 elements will be 0 after applying elementary row or column operations. Then we need to expand the determinant along this column. Okay, so we need to find the determinant of A, which is determinant of this matrix. We choose, let's say we choose this A23 as, which is 1 as pivot. This is A23, we choose this as a pivot, and now we need to apply the elementary row operation to make all these 3 elements as 0. Okay, so we will apply R1 in R1 we apply R1 minus 2 R2, then in R3 plus 3 R2, in R4 plus R2. By applying elementary row operations, we get this determinant. Since these 3 elements are 0, so we are expanding the determinant along the third column. Since this is the position A23, then the determinant will be minus 1 power 2 plus 3 into the minor of this, which is 38. Hence the correct option is 38. Thank you.